Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be reviewing AM Glow 7 Days Whitening Facecream. We will be giving you insights on how AM Glow 7 Days Whitening Facecream looks like inside it. So sit back, relax, grab a popcorn and enjoy the ride. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. AM Glow Facecream is a skin lightening face cream designed to remove stubborn dark spots from your face. It makes your skin to be lighter, soft, satin smooth, radiant, flawless and so beautiful. It lightens your skin tone and also clears dark eyes. This face cream gives you a clearer, youthful looking and luminous skin tone. This face cream is enriched with vitamins to give you an even toned skin. It clears age spots, pimples, white spots and reduces the appearance of blocked pores and blackheads. It allows your skin to preserve its elasticity without leaving any greasy film. This face cream will make your skin very luxurious. AM Glow 7 Days Whitening Face Cream refreshes and revives the skin tone and texture. It also makes your skin fairer by reducing the production of melanin. It is lightweight, non-sticky or greasy and makes the skin lighter, soft, radiant and satin smooth. AM Glow 7 Days Whitening Face Cream is mild and has a sweet fragrance. It clarifies and evens out the complexion whilst nourishing the face. It offers nourishing, toning and antioxidant properties to help your skin regain its radiant, soft and clear look. Here are the directions on how to use AM Glow 7 Days Whitening Face Cream. Add small amount of the product on your palm and massage the face in a circular motion until fully absorbed. It is recommended that AM Glow be applied mostly in the mornings as a sunscreen with SPF 35.